Did you know that avocado is a superfood with multiple nutritional benefits and incredible effects on your appearance and health? Have you thought what would happen if you incorporated just one avocado into your daily diet? In this video, we'll explore the amazing results, so keep watching. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a thing. Now, let's get started. Number 9. Fresh breath 24/7. Say goodbye to bad breath, woes. Avocado kill bacteria in your mouth, leaving you with fresh breath all day long. In fact, avocados are so effective at this that they may even help prevent oral cancer. Number 8. Improved kidney function. Avocados are packed with a miraculous mineral called potassium. This mineral helps maintain a healthy fluid balance in your system. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can support your kidneys' efficiency and overall function. Number 7. Lower cholesterol. High cholesterol and triglyceride levels are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. But fear not, because avocados come to the rescue once again. So by adding avocados to your daily menu, you can give your heart a fighting chance against cardiovascular issues. Number 6. Optimal liver function. Avocados are liver superheroes. They contain a powerful antioxidant. Number 5. Regulated blood pressure. If you struggle with high blood pressure, avocados should be your best friends. Thanks to their potassium content, avocados help to benefit your blood pressure. Number 4. Enhanced vision. Packed with antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light. In simpler terms, the more avocados you consume, the healthier your vision will be. Number 3. Protection against cancer. Avocados go above and beyond in providing the extra bit of protection against cancer. The carotenoids and monounsaturated fats found in avocados contribute to a significant reduction in various types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. Number 2. Weight loss aid. Avocados can be your secret weapon. In addition to their other components and elements, avocados are rich in fiber, which is crucial for weight loss. Fiber is highly filling and digests slowly, keeping you satisfied for longer periods. Number 1. Glowing your skin. Avocados have a magical effect on your skin, both from the inside and outside. Rich in vitamin C, avocados play a crucial role in the production of collagen and elastin, which maintain the skin's elasticity and firmness. Additionally, vitamin E in avocados helps reduce damage from excessive sun exposure and combats signs of aging. So why wait? Avocados offer too many benefits to miss out on. Now it's your turn. Do you enjoy avocados? How often do you incorporate them into your diet? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.